Okay, we are going to copy this construction line that we made earlier over to the other side of the door. Then we're going to place a line on the top of the door like so, and then we will offset 2 inches this line up and these on each side of the line like so, and then we will erase the original, this line, and then the inside lines, and then we'll fill it and we will draw a line from the corner showing that the molding was mitered. And we'll place these 3 lines on A wall B. And now we'll also offset 3 inches the baseboard up. We'll do this one as well. You would not have baseboard because the tub covers it. We'll trim using the outside of the bathtub here. Enter and click, and then we will match the properties to A millwork B. Okay, we need to trim. You wouldn't have the baseboard going over the door, so we'll use the outer edges of the door molding and trim between it. Okay, now we will place the sink. So to move, select the sink. We'll use this back leg. And then now we've placed it on the wall, we can now move using at the base point here and move it up against the wall like that. And then where the door molding is being shown from through the sink, we'll clip that off like that. And then also baseboard through the legs. Very good. Okay. Okay, so we have 3 pieces still left to do. We're going to move all these up here. Maybe. They're not the ortho. Okay, we have our first problem is this bathtub is facing the wrong direction, so we'll mirror it. So select mirror, select the object, enter, pick a point, make sure your ortho is on, pull the cursor up, and this time we don't need to keep the original, so we'll hit Y, enter. Now we have a mirror copy and we can move that. And then move like we did the other one. Okay. Then remember it's our toilet is 18 inches from the edge of the tub. So construction line, offset 18. Move the toilet by its midpoint. We'll erase the construction lines and then move the vanity in place. So, okay, then we'll offset 3 inches for the baseboard. And then trim out where it hangs over our fixtures. And then match the correct layer. Okay. We now no longer need this. Okay, now if we wanted to put tile in the bathroom, let's say we just wanted it around the tub area, so we could offset, let's say we wanted to offset it 4 feet, so 4 feet, I'll set this baseline up. And let's say we wanted a 2-inch border above our tile, so 2, enter. And let's say it will come up from the side of the bathtub up to our border, and let's do a kind of a decorative 2-inch thing this way as well, and then we'll trim. Okay. Let's do the same thing. Let's trim out where this hangs over the baseboard. Okay, I'll do the same thing here. This time I'm going to start at the baseline and draw it up. And then offset 2. And then trim. Okay. Alright, so we're going to change our current to AWOL pat, and let's put our tile trim on AutoCAD as well. Okay, now we're going to use the hatch program. We'll choose hatch. And we'll choose ANSI 37. So here's ANSI 37. We need to make sure that we're going to use 48 for the scale. Do pick point and select the inside here, here, and here. Okay, let's try. Sometimes if you don't get it just right, and there's another thing to remember is if you choose to do everything at the same time, if you make a mistake and you have to erase something, you erase it all. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's try it again. Hatch can be really aggravating. Well, it's going to continue to do that, so let's explode it. And we'll do some erasing, so I know this will erase. And this. Okay, so this will have to trim. And finally finish erasing that. Got another piece here. That has our bathroom elevations. We can finish this up by adding a doorknob. The doorknob is on this side of the wall. So a doorknob is 36 inches above the finished floor. So offset 3, 6. We'll do a construction line where that intersects down, and then offset 2 inches. Erase this line, and then right here at the intersection we'll go circle, diameter, click here, then 2 enter.